Update.
Oh yeah!
So, I put a post on my Facebook saying if I didn't get any more interest in it this weekend, then I'm going to go ahead and cancel the raffle because it hasn't really picked up enough steam like I thought it was going to, especially with all the responses that I got saying that they would buy a ticket. I understand holiday. This is probably the worst time possible to actually start a raffle. I started the week before Christmas, so I get that. So I posted that on Facebook, and I had a couple people say that they didn't think that was right to go ahead and cancel it that early. So I'm going to go ahead and let it run for a while. If you've bought a ticket and you're getting a little anxious, there's a lot of people reaching out to me that are interested in buying a ticket. A lot of people are just still recovering from the holidays. I get that. So, and plus, tax time is coming around, so a lot of people are going to have some extra funds during the tax season. So I'm going to let it roll. So if you want a chance to win a Lincoln, a sweet Lincoln, for $100, let me know. Trying to do everything through PayPal. I'll put my PayPal right here. And I'll also put a link in the description. So just easier that way, easier to keep track. That way I can just keep it all on my PayPal account and wait until everything's sold. We're doing 80 tickets. If you haven't heard of this raffle before, 80 tickets, 100 apiece, 96 Lincoln Town Car Lowrider. Super sweet lowrider. But actually, let's go take a look at it. Let's go take a peek. Getting sick of the snow. It'll be a little cleaner than this, trust me, when you come to pick it up. Trunk full of thuggery. You know what I'm saying? Trunk full. 6 batteries, 3 pumps, obviously. Number 11 gear in the front pump. 9s in the rear. Thing's pretty snappy, really, for what it is. 3 wheels, like a beast. Like an absolute beast. 14-inch cylinders in the back. Lays out pretty nice now. I cut the springs down in the back. Lays out real good. 2.5 ton pre-cuts in the back. Chain bridge. 6-inch cylinders in the front. Yeah. She lays real nice. I'm happy with that. Dayton's all day. Twice a day. So, this is it. This is her. Flake. Super flaky. So yeah. If you guys want in on this raffle, let me know. We're going to keep it rolling. If it doesn't sell, don't worry, because I will be more than happy to drive this thing this summer. So it's still going, people. You want a ticket, you let me know. Walking out here in the snow. Oh man, you can't low ride in this stuff. I ain't moving Cali.